Most everything that is sold out of demand, not need. Everything that's needed is in nature and it's free. Demand, supply and demand. Whoever controls the demand and the supply controls the whole plan. But who controls nature, which has everything that we need? Who controls that? They say we are nature. We are the sun. We are the light. We are the light beings. We are melanin. We are the stars. We are the dust of stars and ancient auras and novas and cosmic collisions, all types of minerals and fusions. We are the amalgamation of that. So if we are nature, we control nature. We are nature. Nature is our brother and sister. They will listen to us. The animals, the plants, the trees, the water, the leaves, the seeds, they grow as we need. We gotta plant and sow more, so we can reap more and more.